Hey, big boy. Oh, you want some of those seeds, do you? Yeah, good one. Oh, who's your mate? Yeah, he's coming back. Oh, you like him, do you? You like him? Yeah, have some more. Yeah, have some more. Yeah. Mate, you're dropping things all over your buddy on the ground. Yeah, look at him. Mate, how many seeds a minute do you go for? How many? Oh, oh, you're not saying anything. Yeah. He's showering you, mate. Oh, he's had enough. He's coming up. Yeah. Another one. Yeah. What are you looking at? Yeah. Okay. I'm not going to take your seeds. I'll give you some more. Look. Yeah. Look at that. Be about 5 in your beak then. A bit more. Mate, you got a bit of a crazy look in your eye there. I've got to be honest. You are fair dinkum addicted to these things, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. I thought so.